Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is Wednesday, March 5th, 2026, and somebody sent me some Happy Mail. Yes, I did order some things, but it also includes some Happy Mail. Do you want to see? First of all, I want to welcome my subscribers and say thank you for coming back and watching my videos and leaving comments, and appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you enjoy my crazy videos and my unboxings and so on. So the first thing I want to show you is I had placed an order last week with Nitpicks and WeCrochet, and I actually opened it, but I wanted to show you what it was because I told everyone that was watching my videos I would bring an update. So I had placed an order for it was Nitpicks and WeCrochet sampler. They have sampler boxes, $10 each. So the knit box came with 2 circular interchangeable needles. Wonderful. One was stainless steel, the others were wood. They were beautiful. And 7 mini hanks of yarn, bare yarn. So they had them for $10, and it was they had a special free shipping with no minimum. So, and they had them in stock. So I placed an order. I was very happy to actually feel the yarn and have their knitting needles, because I'm a new knitter and trying to try out all the needles that I can get. You know, I have some Chaigus, I have some Prims, some, what's the other one? Clover Takumis. I have many of them, but I wanted to try the Nitpicks, and so far I'm liking them. The box for $10 was amazing. So do you want to see what you get for the crochet kit? You get 5 of the mini hanks that were the same that were in the Nitpicks. The woodland tweed, which is an Aran weight. These are all wool. The swish DK. The palette, which is also a superwash. And then this one is the wool of the Andes. And then this one is the Andean baby alpaca. Beautiful bare hanks, little minis. Even if you want to try out feeling the yarn, or if you want to, give it a go at trying to hand dye yarn, this is a great thing for $10. This alone was worth $10. And in the knit kit, you got 7 of them. Here I got 5. So in the crochet, they also include the Brava worsted weight. Okay, this is beautiful acrylic yarn. I've never felt the Brava worsted weight. This is very nice, number 4. It's a nice size 4. Not too thick, not too thin. It's very soft. It's got a nice twist. So yeah, I think I would order this again, and give it a try, maybe for a blanket, hat, anything. Beautiful. So this color is blush. Very pretty. So they just give a little mini skein. Also included is a mini skein of their animation 100% combed mercerized cotton, and the color is Dewdrop. Very pretty blue. Sorry about the glare. But, I very rarely work with mercerized cotton, but this is very nice. I would think this would be great for, maybe they call it animation, maybe for an amigurumi. But, and also you got 2 crochet hooks. And I was always curious to compare the WeCrochet hooks to my Clover Amour. Very similar. These are both 4mm. So the Clover Amour is purple and a 4mm, and it's a blue in the WeCrochet. But very similar, and the feel of the handle and the shaft are the same size, I would say. The length is, for those that like a certain length of hook, and the feel of the grip. Very, very similar. I would say they're fairly equal. So that's good to know. If, you know, if they have a good sale, I would probably order a set. I've never tried the dots. I think the dots, with the dots, their shank is a little bit longer, you know, the shaft here. And I prefer the shorter, but I guess depending on what project you're working on, you may want a longer one. But very nice. I'm, you know, surprisingly pleased. They also included a wooden one, but this is very thin. It's not something I would ever use. And this is also a 4mm, very, very thin hook. But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful wooden hook. Just not something that I prefer to use. Maybe years ago I would have. But yeah. So very nice for $10. If you can find it, you know, that they are available on WeCrochet, and you want to give their hooks a try and their yarn. You can feel all the bases, which is wonderful. Okay, so let's get to some more happy mail. Got some happy mail. I also partook of Crystal's at Bag O' Day's Etsy shop. She was having a destash along with, currently there's also, I'm not sure if she has any destash yarn left, but I know she still has some mystery boxes, and she also has 25% off all her hand-dyed. I'm not sure how long the sale is going on, but it's a great opportunity if you want to give it a try. So this is part of the destash. I'll show you what I got. Yarns that, some that I've had and some that I've never had. So this is Lanes du Nord Poema Cashmere Luxury Line, made in Italy. The color is 103. Look how beautiful that is. Just gorgeous. Sage and like a toasty brown, and like kind of like a, I'm not good with colors. Beautiful autumnal colors. I would call that like a brick. Burnt sienna. I would call that burnt sienna. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Going back to my Crayola days. This is a 80% Lana Merino, 16 microns, and a 20% cashmere, 545 yards. And I would say this is a, I think they call it a DK, but I would say it's a fingering. Beautiful. Beautiful yarn. Something that I would have never, well, can't say never, but I would never have been able to get the deal that I got because Crystal was destashing. So that's one of the Lanes du Nord. Got another one. Okay, this is Lanes du Nord Poema Luxury Line, color 405. Okay, and this is 100% Lana, which means wool. Muslin free wool, and it's 656 yards. Beautiful. Okay, it goes from like just a creamy ivory to a beautiful blush pink to a pretty taupe. Beautiful, gorgeous yarn. Okay, again, I was able to get this because Crystal was destashing. What a deal. Just an amazing, amazing deal to be able to get this. Granted, we could order this online and then have to pay crazy shipping and tariffs and all of that other, and yeah, you have to check out Crystal's Etsy shop when she has her destashes and her mystery boxes. Great way to get beautiful yarn, and because, you know, Crystal loves to show her beautiful yarn that she gets from her channel, and then she gives us a chance to also feel it and touch it and work with it. Okay, so what else was part of the destash? Was okay, this is from Keith at Yarn Snob. Okay, and this is a double hank of luxurious fingering, 75% superwash merino, 15% silk, and 10% cashmere. Okay, so it's 437 yards per hank, and there's 2 hanks. So there's plenty of yarn here. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, yeah, yeah. Look at that lavender and cream and pink. Can you see I'm going into that spring mode? Even that's kind of got like a greenish tint. Beautiful. So this is a 2 hanks. Look at how beautiful that is. So 1 hank of a solid, beautiful lilac lavender, gorgeous orchid, whatever kind of purple you want to call it. And then this to coordinate. It's got the pink and the lilac and like a spring green, almost like a celery. Perfect, beautiful. This is going to make a gorgeous, I'm thinking a shawl for Easter. That's what I see. Yeah, so that's almost 1,000 yards of a beautiful fingering silk cashmere wool from Keith, the Yarn Snob, who is one of Crystal's favorite hand dyers. Crystal's my favorite, but Keith makes beautiful yarn. I've actually used his yarn when I made, I think this is the silver light shawl. This was part of the syrup project, which was special yarn reserve. It was a crochet along where, you know, they gave you a pattern and you used that yarn that you've had in your stash for quite a while. So this gold is Yarn Snob. The purple is Arcane Fiberworks. And yeah, this is one of my first projects with superwash. Love it. Another one of my favorite makes that, as you can tell, I use it often. Okay, so that was part of the destash. Now for her 25% off, tight wide for her yarns. Still going on. You can get, you know, wonderful deal. She's even got sock yarn on her site. 25% off is wonderful. So, and I like a good yarn deal. I'll admit it. Maybe I am a yarn snob, but I do use other yarns too. So it is what it is. So this is one of my favorite bases. This is the Silky Yak DK, and it's 60% superwash merino, 20% yak, 20% silk. It's a DK 3-weight, and the color is Amazon. I say the color is amazing. And it is an amazing, it's like a charcoal with the kind of a denim. It's hard to explain. And sometimes it feels like it has like a, I don't know, just a gorgeous color. Yeah, I've been into the grays lately. Yeah, but just beautiful. And, you know, there's nothing like the smell of Crystal's yarn. Just beautiful. In a lovely way. Not perfumey, just beautiful. Just beautiful. Look how beautiful that color is. Wait. Whew. Okay, I got some more. And this is 50% merino silk. So it's 50 silk, 50% superwash merino. It's also a DK, and the color is Turkish Rose. Look how beautiful that is. Now, that would also go beautiful with that. And that's what I was thinking. Look how beautiful. Okay. That beautiful rose with that Amazon would make a fabulous garment. Fabulous. And they're all DK. Yeah, that's what I see together. Gorgeous. Because nothing like a rose and a gray together. Love it. I just love it. So also included in that was something from Crystal, some Happy Mail. Okay. And it is 100, look how gorgeous that is. It's 100% cashmere. It's a 2-weight. Oh. I don't know what I'm going to make with this, but it is gorgeous. Just beautiful. I want to say it's a cross between, I don't know, like a milk chocolate. Milk chocolate. Yeah, just beautiful. Tonal. I love my tonals. But just love it. Just love my all of my yarn. Okay. I also have more because I forgot this came the other day. But I'm gonna show it to you because I have to show the beautiful yarn. This is a Van Gogh. Because you know I made the project with the Starry Starry Night. And this is another Van Gogh. And this is another spring. Because I'm getting into the springs. Almond Blossoms. It's a superweight merino DK. 100% beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. And I'm thinking I'm going to make something beautiful for the Hat Queen. Yeah, something for the spring. Isn't that beautiful? Because that's a color that she would love. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. But, yeah, I just love it. So pretty. I couldn't pass it up. Plus, there may be another, you know, crochet along from Lisa Happy Little Creations. She's doing the famous artists. So, some Van Gogh inspired beautiful yarn. Okay. So that's it. That was a lot of goodness, beautiful fiber today. I will have more at the end of the week, but it will be blanket yarn, not blanket yarn, you know, acrylics, things that I got on a great deal because February has been a crazy month for yarn sales. And I only buy when it's on sale, when there's a good deal. And I try and bring that also to my channel, like the Yarn Inspirations deals that's going on 40% off right now. I think it's, I don't know when it's ending, but wonderful deals, 40% off. Yes, and I believe Mary Maxim is also having a wonderful deal for yarn sales. So there you go. That's my PSA. Thank you for watching my beautiful yarn haul. It just brings me joy and to feel and touch beautiful yarn. And I'm grateful that I can. But, and I'm thankful for you that all come and watch my crazy yarn boxings and unboxings and chatter and all that good stuff. Have a wonderful day. I'm hoping you're enjoying your week. And I will see you tomorrow because tomorrow is Duck Duck Dishcloth. And I'll give you an update on a project I'm working on. Take care. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye now.